All right, we're back here at the dealership. The new Holland has yet another problem. The hydraulics on this thing I don't know. Maybe it was just made on a Friday or something. I have no idea. So we're putting in water line. Jason was using it as it was intended. And she started spewing fluid. Where's up in here, right on the top of the cylinder or the bottom of the cylinder.
Yeah.
It's leaking at the weld, it looks like, huh?
Right at this corner where the weld seam starts and stops.
So the last time we brought this in, we had problems with the distribution block. So the distribution block here that goes in behind the frame had an issue and it was leaking. The front bucket was leaking and it still continues to this day to tilt forward under idle. So hopefully with the first service here, we're going to go ahead and have them fix all that. So yeah, the importance of having a warranty. When we bought this, we didn't, we threw quite a bit of money at it. Even though it is a subcompact and it's only operating on 5 acres, it was the appropriate tractor for that size operation. But we have, the importance of the warranty. New Holland has a pretty decent warranty, and the dealership here in the Ozarks has honored that warranty and has been very good and quick about getting stuff back to us. So we're going to take it off the trailer and try it again. Stuff happens like this, and especially with farm implement equipment, having extras of things is, your wear bars go out, your cylinders leak. Just the more you use it, the more things happen. So having the knowledge of this stuff and having the spare parts can be essential for a successful homestead.